Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up your public profile on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner. This takes you to your profile screen. Next, scroll down to find the My Public Profile section. If you do not see it, look for an option to Create Public Profile and tap it. You will need to confirm you are at least 18 years old to proceed. Once you have confirmed your age, you will see a few introductory screens explaining what a public profile entails. Read through these carefully to understand the benefits and features. After reviewing, tap Continue on each screen until you reach the final prompt. Then, select Create Profile to officially establish your public presence. This initial step is quick, taking only a few seconds, and sets the foundation for your public persona. Now that your public profile is created, it is time to personalize it. Tap Edit Profile to add a captivating bio, a clear profile picture, and an engaging cover photo. These elements are crucial for attracting new followers. You can also decide if you want your subscriber count to be visible to others. Furthermore, you have the option to enable or disable a contact button, allowing viewers to send you direct messages. With your profile customized, you can now share your public stories and spotlight content directly to it, reaching a broader audience. Your public profile acts as a central hub for all your public-facing content. You can also access valuable analytics to see how your content is performing and understand your audience better. Remember to regularly manage your profile settings and review your content to maintain an engaging and active presence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.